So while upgrading your iPad to the new iPadOS 26, you might see errors like unable to check or install update, software update failed, or it's just randomly paused, or stuck on update requested and preparing for a download section. So in this video, let's see how to fix all these problems and complete the upgrade successfully. We are using iPad mini 6 for this video, but you can follow this process from any iPad that's iPadOS 26 compatible. Alright guys, first, you need to prepare your iPad for the new software update. So some ground rules are, make sure it's got more than 50% charge. And since it takes about a few hours to complete the process, you can just go ahead and plug it into a charger for the whole time. And also make sure your iPad's got enough storage to install the update, at least 12 to 13 gigabytes. Now first of all, if you're getting unable to check for updates or unable to download, it's surely an internet issue. So just make sure you're connected to a fast and stable internet connection. You can also turn on and off airplane mode to refresh the network. You can also restart your router for the matter. So let's say you have started the update. It's going well, but it's just stuck on update requested for an abnormally long time. So sometimes this can happen either for storage issue or just for software glitch. So if you think it might be a storage issue, go to General, from there to iPad Storage. If you see any iPadOS pack in here, previously downloaded and failed, just go ahead and delete that. And then give your iPad a simple restart. Just turn it off and then on again. And then come back in here and just start downloading from scratch. Now, just in case, if it seems to be stuck on preparing for update for a long time, the progress bar is not moving, don't worry, this is absolutely normal. It took us about 1 hour to get through this section. Now, after it's done, your iPad will install the software packages. And it'll take several restarts one after another. And finally, it'll restart with the newly updated iPadOS 26 interface. Now, we were able to update your iPad like this way, just in case if none of this worked for you. And if you have a MacBook, you can also plug in your iPad to your Mac. Your iPad will get this pop-up, just tap on this trust button. And when they're connected, from your Mac's Finder, just hit your iPad's name and then just click on check for updates. You can then just follow the prompts to update your iPad to iPadOS 26 by this process as well. Let us know in the comments if you faced any more problem while updating your iPad to iPadOS 26. Thanks for watching.